To enable a style guide on your project, you're going to want to make sure that you're logged into your workspace first. From there, you can click on any of your projects and then click on Edit to get into Studio. And then from there, you'll want to make sure that you're clicked on the Styles tab. From there, you can click on Manage Style Guides, and then that will bring up all of the style guides that you have available to you. At the top, you'll have the Workspace Style Guides. These are style guides created by your organization. And then if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see all of the public style guides, which are created by Stoplight, that are just default rules to help you. If you want to disable them, just click the Disable button. We'll enable the Stoplight Style Guides. And then if you want to cascade any on top of it, so there's a number of them that we've created already, we can click Enable, and we can click multiple ones if we want that. When we click Save, it'll automatically load all of those rules, and it'll show you which ones it's inheriting from which guide. You can then go back to the API tab and click the YAML file itself, and you'll see that the spectral is now linting against the roles that you have selected.